At po ng budget ng lahat ng ahensya, binubusisi talaga.
Ng Kongreso.
Oo.
Pero yung kanilang budget,
Oo.
hindi nila binubusisi. Bakit ganon?
How can we correct that?
To the current controversy, kung magmula sa 1998, ito palang mga pondong ito is subject to liquidation by certification. Ito palang mga pondong ito is subject to liquidation by certification. In other words, who is going to scrutinize the scrutinizer?
Tao po, I would suppose taong
But
bayan.
how can the taong bayan do that? They don't have access. Now, sinasabi niyo ngayon paano, saan pumapasok dito ang taong bayan para malaman, para magalit sila o magsabi sila, oy, sobra na yan. Paano nila malalaman lahat ito?
As I said a while ago, meron po kaming utos from the Saligang Batas na i-publish every year yung itemized expenses and payments made to members of Congress. And we do that.
Sa mga
dyaryo po. Dailies, the major dailies, Inquirer, Business World yata, and Star. Pero parang wala namang pumapansin.
But let me also point out one thing. One thing I also noticed from some of your posts. You also mentioned, or you also pointed out, that even Congress has its own, well, not exactly confidential funds, but has its own funds that do not undergo as much scrutiny as confidential intelligence funds. I'm talking, of course, about yung basically certified, just the certification of MOOE expenses that's been going on for how many years? 30 years already. I think you also should get credit for pointing that out, because that's something that's been swept under the rug for so long.
I think let's also give credit before kay Solita Monson, no? Actually, what she wrote before, I think this was way back in 2011. I quoted her na the MOOE is actually in practice like confidential fund because liquidation by certification.
Okay. But how do we resolve this problem? It's been there for 3 decades pala. Do you expect Congress to resolve this issue? And how? Okay, for those who have not, for those who are not so familiar, it turns out that the COA does not require anything more than a certification from legislators that they have spent properly their MOOE.